Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Jenni AI. In order to do so, here we are logged in to Jenni. And if you're unfamiliar with Jenni AI, it is a research tool that can help you write papers. So here we are, and Jenni is asking us, what are you writing today? So we're just going to go ahead and go through the steps here and just kind of give you an idea of how it is that Jenni can work for you. So, what are we writing today? Well, let's go ahead and we're just gonna get philosophical here. The nature of reality. Why not? Um, Says here, weak prompt. The nature of reality, examining the different theories of existence. Why not? Okay, average prompt. Consider including important keywords. Okay, so let's go ahead and say uh, multiple timelines or a single timeline. Why not? Okay, generate outline. So great prompt. Jenni will reference this when generating text. We could get a little bit more into it, but we'll just try to keep things simple. Generate outline. So we've got no outline, standard headings, creative headings. So standard headings, add standard headings, introduction, methods, results, etc. Creative headings. AI will generate headings based on your document prompt. Let's go ahead and go with creative headings, and then we're going to click here, start writing. And then wait here for Jenni AI to offer us some examples. So pretty cool already. The nature of reality, exploring theories of existence, timelines, and consciousness. Introduction, theories of existence, theories of timelines, theories of consciousness, synthesis and implications. Conclusion. So already I think you can tell that this is pretty powerful, what this is able to do. Being able to write a paper on a certain subject or something, we kind of get wild with this one, but why not? Let's use AI to explore the nature of reality. Um, so, introduction. The nature of reality has long been subject to profound philosophical scientific debate, with competing theories seeking to unravel the complex and multifaceted nature of our existence. Okay, let's go ahead and we'll hit accept on that. That sounds good to me. We've got this little plus sign here. Let's click that and see what happens. Okay, we've got a variety of options, headings, images, code blocks. We'll just leave that for now. And here looks like that added that. So can we undo? Let me just see if if undo is going to work for us. It's not. So we'll just go ahead and leave that for now. We'll go down to theories of existence. Let's see, is that going to work for us? And let's see here. We'll just say, click on that there, see what happens. So, was kind of given us there a moment ago the option to accept the. All right, let's see, text. Let's see if we just throw in text. Okay, there we go. So yeah, that's what we needed to do. We needed to add text there. So let's go ahead and we will. So philosopher and scientist proposed to explain the fundamental nature of reality. Okay, we'll go ahead and hit accept on that. Our paper here is already starting to take shape. So let's see here. Okay, so it looks like it actually is going to. Yeah, so if we just put our cursor there, then we can continue to hit accept. And this is just going to, I'm not sure what's going on there. Let's see. Let's go ahead and try again and see what happens there. Let's see. One world, multiple worlds, or a layered reality. Okay, let's go ahead and hit accept on that. Okay, so it's asking a question and it's giving us an answer. Physicists, neuroscientists, and philosophers have grappled with these questions, each offering unique insights that challenge our traditional notions of what is real or not. And we can see here that it's even offering some citations. So that's pretty cool. We can hit accept on that. So it looks like we could just pretty much go through each subject heading here, and just kind of accept whatever the response is, if we like it. So let's go ahead and we'll go down here to the next one because I'm just kind of curious. And I really quite like what's happening here because the way that it generates is really nice. It's intuitive and allows you to kind of take things line by line. So you're kind of in, let's say, not in the driver's seat per se, but you're in the passenger seat and you're the one with the directions who you're offering it to Jenni here. So let's see here. Physicalism, for instance, suggests that the physical world alone is sufficient to account for all phenomena. So let's go ahead and hit accept on that. And we're already getting some very interesting responses here. And I would say that, okay, so we can even embellish our titles if we want. So we'll go ahead and go with that. Theories of consciousness. We just kind of want to go through here really quick, and I don't want to spend too much time, but I do want to give you an idea of how you can start to develop your thesis here with Jenni. And it really does seem that you can explore some very interesting potential. So here we see free word limit exceeded. You will receive 200 more words in 7 hours and 35 minutes. So there you go. So while we can do some pretty cool stuff here with Jenni, it does seem that it is limited. And in order to continue generating, we are going to need to upgrade. So let's go ahead and click upgrade. And you can see here that we have the annual, which equates to about $16.50 a month, and we have the monthly, which is $41 a month. So very powerful, very cool. What you can do here is obviously very powerful again, but it is behind the subscription wall. So if this is something that you are interested in using, there are a few other things here to take a look at. We've got tutorials, we've got refer and earn. So that's kind of nice. We have an AI chat option. So if we want to, looks like that's kind of what's going on here. And we're getting some additional information. But yeah, I would say that Jenni AI has some very profound potential here. The only thing I might say is that as far as the pricing goes, about $40 a month for that is, I mean, depending on if this is I can see how this might be very important to use if you have a paper that you're writing or something like that and you want to use Jenni to help you with it, then that $40 might be worth it. It does seem a little bit high, but then at the same time, the concentrated toolbox you have here of elements that you can pull together in order to put your paper together, I think that is definitely going to be something that for some people is going to be worth that subscription fee. And I would expect too that you might be spending a couple months or something like that putting together something like this, but it is going to cost you about $40 a month in order to get access to this. We'll go ahead and leave it at that. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.